How to save and download Instagram messages. Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to save and download our Instagram messages very easily. Whether you want backups or just keep the memories very safe, we've got you covered. So let's follow out this step by step. So open up Instagram and we can download all the messages using Instagram data tool, which is one of the best method available. So once we open up Instagram, we can log in into our account and head over to our profile in the bottom right corner. And within our profile, we should be finding a menu option usually in the top right corner. So tap on it. And that will let us to the settings page. So select the accounts and center from here. And tap on the option called your informations and permissions. So scroll down, look out for your informations and permissions. So basically tap on your informations and permissions. Once it is done, you can tap on this option called export your information or download your information. And within there, we can just go over and select up our Instagram account. So look out for the page, wait for the page to load up. It should redirect you to a site. And there you can follow up the process, tap on create export. And now follow up the process, export to device or export to external service. And you can select up your email address where you would like to save it. Once it is done, you can also customize all the information, what information you would like. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, make sure that the messages option from here is selected. Make sure it's ticked and tap on save. After that, you can select the date range from when you would like all the messages to be downloaded and go ahead and select up the format and the media quality. Once it is done, you can tap on the start export and Instagram will provide you up with it within some days. You just need to go ahead and follow that process and you should be able to do it. So that's it, everybody. This is how you download it. This is only the official way available for now if you really want to download the messages on your Insta. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.